Okay guys, quick recap here and prep for tomorrow, April the 22nd. We will talk a little bit about the ES and how we traded the Emini today in the room. Pretty important today in the morning. I told you guys, look above 41.24, start looking for 41.27, 41.30, 41.34, and eventually 41.50. Every single of these targets was met, and we even went beyond that and even coming close those singles from Monday morning at 41.66. Everything was posted in the room. I will go over that really quick. So here is the 41.24. I told you, look to go long above 41.24 to the 27th, then to the 30, right? Then to the 34, and then to 41.41, right? Every single target was met on the Emini. Right, it was before even 11 a.m. Everything was nice and going. We were one time framing the whole day for the ES. So good, kudos to you guys who hold on to this trade. It was a really, really nice trade on the ES this morning. What to expect for tomorrow? Let me reset all the profiles and look what the Globex is giving us. So far, the Globex overnight is printing 41.53.50 as the low, and we have 41.62. Now, if you look at this, we are right inside this spike late afternoon, right? This spike on the late afternoon between 41.55 and 41.66. We are, during the Globex session so far, finding value right here on these levels. So what to expect tomorrow? Well, it all depends how we end up before the open. What is important to see is if tomorrow when we open the market, we hold this 41.50, right? If we hold this 41.50 and start looking to go higher, our targets are going to be the 60s and 66, and eventually we will go back into the 72 area, 74 for the ES, right? This is the 41.72, 41.74. Currently, Globex is printing 41.60s. Again, spending some good time here inside this late spike in the afternoon that happened on the ES. I told you as we were closing this afternoon to look for those targets, right? Remember, I told you look for 41.66. Let me show you where that is, right? Singles, Emini, singles, they were at 31.66. I posted this in the room right at 3:48, 12 minutes to go. 12 minutes to go into the close, and we just spike to get those singles at 41.66. So one thing that we're going to be talking about it is the oil. I will be going into that in a minute. 61 start to look pretty good, but I also want to bring something to your attention on that particular trade on oil. So those singles, they will repair, and the next target, I already gave it to you guys, 41.70 to 41.75 for the ES if we hold this 41.50 level tomorrow morning. Let's go back to the oil and let's talk about the oil trade for a minute. Oil to this morning, I think we printed 62.36. You can see it on the screen, right? 62.36. We couldn't get above the 63 even, and that was kind of a red flag that we were probably going to revisit. Probably we were going to go and revisit those levels between 61.80 and 60. Let me show you the whole picture on oil for you to see it. For the last couple of weeks, we were inside this range between 61.80 and 59.80. So we've been ranging here. Finally, we broke out this last week. You remember during inventory, last week we finally broke all the way up to 63.70, I believe it was. But now we are retracing back into this same range of 61.80. So we will be paying a close attention to this range, 59, 59.80 to the 61.80 level. Tomorrow morning, I would like to see if we're going to hold this $60 even, right? Very important. It's key that we hold $60 on oil tomorrow as we move to close the week Friday. So let me show you what to expect. Tonight, so far, Globex gave us a low of 60 and 67. And right off the bat, they just push it higher above 61 again. Currently at 61.02. And it would be cool if tomorrow we reclaim these 62s and finally get out of this range. We don't want to be conducting too much business between this $60 and this 61.80. Instead, we want to get out of this range and eventually print those 63s, 64s, and $65 on oil. The problem with that is COVID. We got some bad news, I believe, from India, supply demand globally, everything affecting the crude prices. So let's see how we're going to react tomorrow going into Friday. Again, I'll be looking to trade long this commodity. If the crude oil retraces back to the low 60s, I'll be looking for potential entries here for a core position for my oil trade. All right. So this is all I got for you guys on oil and the Emini. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, give us a comment. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please go right ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notifications every time I go live and every time I upload a video. Remember, I go live on YouTube every single day at 10 a.m. Central. We have a power hour where we do stocks and futures chart blast. That happens every day at 10 a.m. Central. Again, guys, thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in the trading room. Peace out.